This wonderful new building has already transformed our campus physically and now will begin to transform the lives of generations of students through the outstanding academic facilities that it provides. Importantly, the Academic Center will establish at FSU Panama City for the first time 10 state-of-the-art laboratories to support our criminology, computer science, electrical engineering, computer engineering, civil engineering, and environmental engineering, and underwater crime scene investigation programs. These programs are strong and growing, and their graduates are in demand in the regional workforce. These labs will open the doors to many new exciting opportunities for our students and further enhance their workforce readiness upon graduation. A high-tech library and learning center and this beautiful lecture hall, faculty and staff offices, and numerous greatly needed seminar and other meeting spaces are provided within this 105,000 square foot building. As a branch campus of one of the nation's top 50 universities, our goal is to assist students in developing their strength, skill, and character needed to be leaders in our state and our nation. Completion of the Academic Center, which doubles FSU Panama City's academic capacity, will greatly enhance our ability to achieve this goal by positioning this campus to be more effectively meeting the needs of students and provide service well into the future.
You can dedicate a building, or you can dedicate rooms and spaces without doing this, but a full building pursuant to Florida statutes, the following words must be read and spread upon the minutes, which they will be at the Board of Trustees meeting next week. By virtue of the authority vested in me as President of Florida State University and by the Board of Trustees at Florida State University, I hereby dedicate the Florida State University Panama City Academic Center officially as and in perpetuity the Alfred P. and Mamie V. Holly Academic Center. Congratulations.